Hey guys, happy Wally Wednesday. It's Alex from Wollaston Real Estate Investments. We're gonna keep this week's video super short and sweet because we're working on some fun Halloween inspired videos for next week. But I figured I'd walk you through and show you a quick update over at 15 West Chestnut Street. If you remember, we had all that really ugly, crappy linoleum floor tile. Well, to our surprise, there was beautiful oak hardwood underneath everything. So we were actually able to refinish those floors and save everything. The boys worked really hard. We finished tiling our hallway, our kitchen, and our bathroom. So right now, we're just waiting on our doors, some miscellaneous trim, and our kitchen cabinets to arrive. And then you'll see these units really substantially complete, and we'll get our electrician and our plumber in here for final connections. So very exciting. Stay tuned. I really think you're gonna enjoy what we've got in store for you next week for Halloween. Cheers.